Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make nice slides using smart art. So I've opened PowerPoint in this case, and I have the taskbar. I have home, insert. So what I'm going to do to use smart art, I'll first need to select a new slide, and I'm going to choose the title slide. When the title slide is there, then I go to insert. Insert, I'm going to select smart art. It is found here. Then smart art, it has very many things. It has lists in case what you want to give us in form of list following a certain hierarchy. Even the process they are given here, as you can see. Relationship, in case you want to show, maybe to make some PowerPoint having certain factors which are coordinated together or which are having a certain association. In case but let me first use the one that is having a list. So I select list, then I choose the format I want to use. There we go. But I don't need these ones to be active. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut them. Meaning the other title slide I had selected already. I selected it to be there so that it can be the background for these smart art would be slides. So I can adjust these to fit onto the page. Like that. Then I adjust everywhere like so as it can fit. But you realize we have 5 boxes which we are not going to use in case, but in case you want all of them, it's fine. Let me say we are going to present something easy. Let me say we are going to talk about something called digestion. Let me just say that digestion, that is there. And you might realize that these ones, you're not going to use them. Let me say you want to remove one, you just cut it, then it goes. Now we are remaining with 4. Then say in case you also don't need this, you can also cut it. Let's cut. Yes, so we are remaining with now 3. So digestion. Let me say we're going to talk about digestion, enzymes, and maybe let me say we're going to talk about the gut. Let me say we're going to talk about digestion, enzymes, and the gut. But you need to design these ones to be totally appeasing, to be totally nice. So what you do, we can color that color. You just fill them. Maybe we fill this one with black. Then we can also fill this one with, so we can choose that. Even this, you just choose the one that is looking nice to you, but make sure like when someone projects, they shouldn't distort the eyes. I have selected this, but the other is we need to work onto the background to look nice also. I'm meaning this background here. We go to design, format background. So need to format a background. We are going to add solid fill. Then there's this, we select the color. So of course we cannot select black to not look nice. When we select this light blue, let us see. I think you can see it. Then the level of transparency. Yes, you slide the asset becomes too faint, like that. Or like that. So it will be looking nice onto the background. So if I have very many pages, I can just select apply to all pages, like that. When I apply to all pages, it will work onto even the other pages that I will add later. Maybe let me also select another page. So if I need the same slide like this one, I can just press enter. Then when I press enter, as I told you earlier, we don't need these ones to be active because we're not going to add anything there. If you're not going to add anything there, we just cut them. Then I go back to insert. As I told you, we select smart art. Then in this case, I want a process. Let me show you also how the process works. Let me say I want, maybe let me use a cycle. Really no. Let me go back to list. I'm showing something. Process. No, let me in this case In this case, let me select hierarchy. In hierarchy, let me use this. Yes, there. I showed you how to make sure they fit onto the page. There we go. Yes. Now what I'm going to show you now, in this case, let me say we have food. It's a process. Let me say this food is mixed with some enzymes. Now when the food is mixed with enzymes, it means we shall get glucose, depending on the type of food we are having. We shall get amino acids. We shall get amino acids in case it is a protein. Then we can also get fatty acids and glycerol. Maybe now what we need to work on, what we need to do now, it is to select, to design them. What I do, go back to home, then I'm going to fill this one differently.